I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I'm making crispy hash brown potatoes with a little onion and red bell pepper. And I'm cooking them in a waffle iron. All of that extra surface area in the waffle iron just makes the potatoes come out extra crispy, and kids love them. They're easy to make, they taste great, and they're right here on Austin Eats. I'm using russet potatoes in this recipe. After peeling them, I'm going to grate them on a box grater using the largest setting. Now, because these are russet potatoes, there's going to be a lot of starch in them, so I have to give them a water bath. So put the grated potatoes in some water and swish it around until the water gets a little cloudy. Drain it, add new water, and do it again. Once the water's pretty clear, drain the water and then pat those potatoes dry. Push down on them and get as much water out as you possibly can. When the potatoes are reasonably dry, it's time to add the onion and bell pepper and chives. I'm actually using the tops of green onions here, but both work just fine. Notice that I'm not adding all of these ingredients at one time. I find if I do, it's kind of hard to mix in, and I will get areas of just large quantities of onion or bell pepper. So put a little bit in, stir it up, add a little bit more, and when you finally have it all mixed up, then it's time to add some butter. Why butter? Well, butter will cause the potatoes to crisp up a bit when they're in the waffle iron. The butter will also make the potatoes golden brown. All right, that's looking pretty good. Time to get these potatoes into the waffle iron. Remember to spray the waffle iron with a little cooking spray before adding the potatoes. That will help them not stick when you take them out. Then cook them for 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and you'll have some wonderful breakfast potatoes. Hey, if you like the recipe, let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.